All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and
always negative. I need new friends, but it's not that quick.
getting easy. Oh, I'm drowning, let me breathe. I'm better off
All by myself, though I'm feeling kinda empty without somebody else. So
I hear you crying out for help, but you never showed for me when I was ringing your cell phone.
No, you don't know what it feels to be alone, baby.